Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is sky pencil hollies in 2 minutes. Sky pencil hollies are obviously upright, narrow growing hollies. They can reach 8 or 10 feet in height. Usually don't get any wider than about 2 feet. Super easy to control this plant, whatever height you want to keep it. You can just hold it together like this and off with its head. Super easy maintenance in that way. If you get a crazy limb on the side of it or a limb that's bent over like this, you can take it off anytime you want to. Best time to prune it, if you were just doing some regular pruning maintenance on it, would be in late winter, early spring, about when I'm shooting this video right now. They can be fertilized at that exact same time. You can use a fertilizer for hollies or azaleas or camellias or rhododendrons if you need to lower your pH a little bit. This is a plant that is not that drought tolerant. I don't think Japanese hollies are very drought tolerant in general. I see lots of them, Hellerise and compactas, and I see them struggle during dry times. So this is a plant that you'll want to think about if it is abnormally dry. Sky pencils seem even more vulnerable to it because that's a long way to pump water up into the top of the plant. It's 8 feet tall and a foot wide. This space over here behind me, there's hundreds of them, and they can keep them pot to pot like this, and they just race one another up. When you get yours, it might be really thin and spindly. You can just take off the top right here and thicken it up a little bit, and I would encourage you to do that as it grows, to cut it occasionally just to thicken it up and make sure that it can support the height that it has. Other than that, they're pretty easy. They're pretty pest resistant. Deer do eat Japanese hollies. I don't think it's the first thing on their list, but they will go after them. Make sure you plant them high so that you're not covering anything that's that's not covered when you receive it. These are hardy in zone 6 to 9, probably 6 to 9A. Zone 5 is listed on a lot of tags, and if you're in zone 5, let me know if you see sky pencil hollies in your area. I'm somewhat doubtful about the zone 5 that I see on all of the tags. Thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. Feel free to search on my channel. You may find that I have previously done this variety in a longer format, and it may offer more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have hundreds of gardening videos, and will continue to add more content in the future. Thanks again for watching.